Hello guys, today I'm going to be putting together my Kreg K5 Master System. Alright guys, so I'm now going to unbox and assemble whatever is necessary. I took the cover off, now I'm just going to unbox the inside. Alright, so the first thing I see is a little booklet that comes with it. It says thank you for your purchase. It talks about the different projects. We have videos that you can get for free. I got the Master System, so this may be a little different than everyone else. And then some accessories that they say you should buy. We have a manual here that talks about all the different parts that come with it, the different screw sizes, how to use it, how to adjust it, and everything. We then have an extra piece that comes along with it if you get the master kit. And right now we're taking out the K5 main component. Here's the main 5K component. This is the clamp. There you go. And then this is how you lock down the clamp. You put the wood right there. There's slots A, B, and C. And then right here you have a component to connect it to a vacuum. On with the master kit, you get 2 extension rings. Inside the extension rings, so check them out. This is a locking piece, so you can lock this right into the side, either side, to stop the wood from moving over more. We have an adjustment piece. We have the steps to set up for how deep we're going to cut into the wood, depending on what thickness you're cutting into, and what screw you're putting. We also have some blocks. Not everyone uses this, but you can put these wing pieces in to make it so that it doesn't look like there's a screw in there. In the other wing, we have a little thing talking about the different size screws to put in based on the wood. We have some hardware to do some adjustments and everything. We then have the bit to put in the impact driver. And last but not least, we have the drill bit. They put it in here to protect yourself from cutting yourself when you first take this out, as it is sharp. Another nice thing they do is they do give you a sample of all different screws. I see like 114, 2.5. They have probably like 8 packs in here of different types of screw sizes. And then along with the master kit, you get a nice clamp. This can be used to clamp this down to a table or clamp wood down. So now let's just put this together a little bit. There's not much assembly needed as it comes pretty done. So we're just going to put this. I'm going to have it so it faces me. I'm just going to put that in. And put this in. And we're just going to put that drill bit right in here. We'll put the impact bit. We're going to put the steps on this side, the push block and adjustment piece here. This will not fit in here, but that's okay. We're just going to put that to the side. And then last but not least, we're just going to put on our sticker so we know what pieces to use. I decide to put it on my right side. So I put it on right there. And my K5 is done and ready to be used. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.